Who is he?
So it was undoubtedly the quickest. My goodness, he was quick. He was seriously quick.
No matter how fast you are.
But I saw him bowl. He looked very lethal.
Again, working up a bit of pace there. That's hit Ganguly. He's in trouble here. He's down on the ground.
Yes, Shoaib put in a little bit extra there. Then his back, and it just took off.
That leg gully. Pretty close there. Oh, that's four. It's very, very good delivery. Batsman didn't have it.
Anybody can bowl quicker than that. I'd like to see him, but that's just taken off. That
is a quick delivery. It's hit Lara. Oh, he got into an awkward position.
That's a bad delivery. Oh, that's a beauty from Shahbata.
Shot run up, bouncer. I don't think it's run up. But it was a quick delivery nevertheless.
He's around the wicket now, as he loves doing to left-handers. Oh, goodness me, that is a nasty one. Wow, that is hit him. That is very, very nice indeed. Shoaib Akhtar's down there very quickly. Mohan Khan is there as well. They're asking for...
You were looking to face the fast bowler over the wicket, not around the wicket, and that was not.